And let me say this. This isn't even the most populated part of the city, is it?
No.
Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is gonna be very different. So before we start, actually we'll show you what we got going on. First, we got some gloves. Examining gloves. Jeremy, you know what to do.
We have a leaf.
We have trash bags, and we have this. I don't know what this is. It's like a pointer.
Trash picker upper.
Basically, if you haven't guessed yet, we are at one of our local metro parks, and we're gonna be picking up trash. What inspired me to do this is phase rug. Phase rug. First of all, everybody phase up in the chat.
Is this the wrong way?
Is it?
Which is F?
Oh, like this.
Do
you not know how to phase up? Now, before we get this video started, let's just talk about some litter facts. You know what I mean?
No.
Now, this is the closest we're coming to a beach near us. So, and this park, dude, this park is bad, isn't it?
Yeah, that's pretty big.
Like, no.
Big and bad.
No, big, bad and bougie. This park is like really polluted. Would you say this park is polluted? Because dude, it's really green.
Yeah, the water's gross.
Yeah, the water looks like the trees in the back. 9 billion tons of litter ends up in the ocean every year. 9 billion, isn't that crazy?
It's nothing.
Now, I know like this litter won't end up in the ocean, but will you think it will? I mean, it's not a beach, but I mean, it'll probably get put somewhere near an ocean. Did you know that 50% of litter is cigarette butts? Did you know that? Here's the camera.
Buds?
Yeah, butts.
Butts.
Like the butts. Did you know 75% of people admitted to littering in the last 5 years? I mean, we all litter,
Oh,
you know?
it's a spider.
We all, fuck, dude, don't hurt him.
Yo, it's a jumping spider.
He's gonna jump on your face, brah. I'm with my cousin. He's probably recording most of the time. He's
Look
jumping.
at that shit,
He's
bro.
like
That's
a
what I'm
frog.
saying. That's scary. Look at all the ants. Look at his ass,
he's
bro.
coming to us, dude.
He's go to your camera.
He takes my camera and runs. So in the park, it's not gonna be too bad. It's gonna be nasty, but once we go to like the city, because we plan on starting at the park and then going to the city, because this has a closing time. This closes at 8 and it's almost 6. So we're gonna start here and then we're gonna go to the city. But the reason we got gloves is to protect our hands, obviously. And
heroin needles.
I was just about to say that. The city that we live in, which is like, it's like 5-10 minutes away from our house, not even if that. We don't want to get pricked by a needle and just get fentanyl or whatever that deadly drug is all in our veins. We're gonna see how much trash we can collect in an hour. That sound good?
Let's do 30 here, 30 there.
30, okay. So 30 minutes at the park and 30 minutes in the city. That's water? Well, just show the lake how bad this shit is. Where's our first trash gonna be? First piece. First piece to add to collections. Timer starts now. So, what's the time? Do you have the time, cameraman?
6:11.
6:11, first piece of trash. Sorry, whoever's glasses these are.
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace. You left them here. Not my fault. God, this is gonna be terrible. Should I just use my hands? 2 pieces, 2 pieces. Let's go.
You can stop that. You freak.
Where?
It's a wrapper. That's an aluminum can.
Aluminum, wow. Yeah, we can go that one now. We'll go to the bathrooms and see how the bathrooms are. Like, I do have to whiz. Phase rug inspired me. Phase up. Phase up. Inspired me to save the earth. Hashtag save the earth. I challenge you guys to do
You
this.
gotta say that again.
Hashtag save the earth.
Bottle cap.
You do?
Right there. There's a culprit.
50%. What did it say? 50% of pollution. 50% of pollution is cigarette butts. Right here. Mother, man. Look, they're everywhere. They're just so hard to see. Look at these cigarette butts. Look. Motherfuckers, man. This thing big and high. So I say we get away from more of like the trash can areas, because there's gonna be motherfucker.
What is that? That is police caution tape. The police are littering. Look at that. You kidding me?
You don't even trust their own police in this neighborhood, man.
Stop.
Smells like donuts. Number one nemesis, plastic. You know what happens when this goes in the ocean? Look.
That looks so real.
Did it really?
No, not at all.
Okay. But it basically goes up the turtle's nostrils. Hashtag save the turtles. Use metal straws. Fuck straws. Receipt.
Somebody's Walmart receipt.
You can return something if you don't got the receipt. Guys, think smarter. Don't litter. Think smarter. Don't larder. As of now, as of walking, what time is that?
6:25.
6:25. What time we start?
6:11.
So it's been
14 minutes.
It's been 14 minutes, and we've got just a little bit of trash. But isn't that a good thing, though? Sorry. Wait,
False alarm.
That's a good thing. We shouldn't be picking up trash because it should be already picked up. Show how close it is hitting the water. It's not okay, man. I don't know how it works, but when shit gets in the water, does it go all to one place, right? Like even if it's in here, beaches, blah blah blah, doesn't it all go to one place?
I don't know.
If trash is in the ponds, it's gonna end up in the oceans. Because it's in the water and it's gonna be put in the same spot. It's pollution. This is what I thought I'd see more of. See more plastic. We're coming to a city near you.
All right, buddy. 10 minutes.
10 minutes. So we have 10 minutes and we have just a little bit of trash. That's a good thing. It means people are doing their jobs and they're not littering. I obviously do want to pick up trash in this video, but
it's better if you don't pick up a lot.
Exactly. I think that there's not.
I thought there'd be more than we already found, to be honest.
That's what I'm saying. Maybe people are changing their ways. Hashtag save the earth. We didn't find a lot, which is a good thing. Don't get me wrong. We found
a lot.
But
it's
I mean,
not nothing though. Like look. Like open that part up. Like that's a good amount.
It's more little stuff that we found than, like we found plastic straws, we found plastic cups, we found what else? Tissues. And that's all by the lakes.
A Walmart gift card.
Walmart receipt. How are you gonna return something you don't have the receipt? Time is up. It is
6:41.
6:40.
Oh shit.
And that's our time. So that's 30 minutes at the park.
I expected to find trash, but not like an exponential amount. That's like we found around what I would think almost.
I would think we would find, like, we did find a lot here, but we will definitely find more in the city.
I think so.
100%, because there's probably people that come around picking up trash. We're on the way to the city. We actually know a good spot. It's called the 2nd Street Market. Who knows? We don't.
It's a market. That's it.
So we want to get there before it's nighttime so we don't get mugged. So literally, you think we're joking, but yeah.
But we'll see you there.
So we'll see you there. So we just got to the city. Can you not tell? Can you tell?
Stop me.
Oh, sorry. And we're gonna see how much trash we can get. So you think the apartments are the best spot, or do you think they keep that part like fairly clean?
I think the best spot is
Which way should we go?
2 seconds away from the car, right there, first piece.
Oh wow.
Sunflower seeds, I bet. Yeah, it is. Are they regular or are they ranch?
They're regular.
Save the turtles.
Save
the turtles.
Turtle.
Look at this. Look at all this.
Plastic. And let me say this. This isn't even the most populated part of the city, is it?
No.
This is like 2nd Street. This isn't even it's downtown, but I mean,
Look at that. On the road too.
Yeah. Dude, show it again. Can we walk out and get hit by that car, Dick?
Dang, son. Look at open your hand.
I collect cigarette butts, man. Comment. Me and him will come pick up trash in your neighborhood. Wherever you need to. With the trash bros.
No.
Bro, it's like, I don't even know what to say at this point. Like it's already past Eastwood, the park, hasn't it?
Yeah, by a lot. Like bigger things and a lot more things. Like look at that.
Let's go over there.
What do you gotta say about that?
I Another receipt. What are you? How are you gonna be able to return something if you don't get a receipt on it?
It is a 2nd Street Market.
So, put it on me.
Wow.
We have about 10 more minutes left. We were just walking. So, look at this.
Love to see it.
Show that and show how far the dumpsters are away. It's like in there and it blew out. We'll give it the benefit of the doubt. I just passed out today. Drugs. And right after we're done with this, we might as well just throw it in the trash. This is gonna take us like damn near 10 minutes. Look at that. Yeah, see, this is the shit you don't see in like the outskirts. Right now it is.
So we've been out an hour and 9 minutes. Actually, no, we didn't start filming until we picked up the first piece of trash. So we've been out longer than
an hour.
We've been like an hour and a half, an hour and 40 minutes.
So basically this wraps up the video. If you guys enjoyed, give it a like, comment. I hope this inspires you to go out in your city and clean up some trash as I throw it on the ground.
Yeah, well,
I'm obviously gonna throw it away. It takes, how long do you think it would take to throw away a piece of trash?
-3 seconds.
-3 seconds. And that's a fact, that's a factoid. Hashtag Save This Earth, make that a trending hashtag. People are gonna be like, oh, you're just doing it because you're filming it.
I don't know.
Just don't be an asshole and
clean up after yourself.
Motherfuckers. Motherfucker, don't motherfucking litter.